as we kick off that game. Budin going for the first kill.
They would want to activate their other spikers and middle attackers and opposite, because during set number 1, mostly it's their wing attackers that giving points for their squad.
Leo, he has been busy for the Tamayaos.
That's right, not just in the offense but also in service.
Leo will now serve 7 points in this game. One of the top scorers in the floor so far, or on the floor rather. Gapultos picking that one up. Ordiales from the back row.
Of their squad is really steady for this game, led by Jake.
Esquitado with that serve. Cacao popping that one up to Espartero for FEU. Picked up by Jade. Greg going up to Buds. That's off the blockers. Look at that.
I think that was the intention of that hit, was to target down the line.
Lumilipad yung Buds Budin. Mukaba with that serve. They go up to Amit between. Let's give that another look. Amit between. Iba din yung brocha. That back row line, and then he jumps right in front of the net, or by the net. Saavedra will try. Oh! Yes,
That was
sir.
a good play.
Surprising. But of course, he has been phased by Ancheta going up to Buds. He is denied by Saavedra. This is what I'm saying.
Back points for Saavedra. Ang ganda ng cross-court wave niya na yun.
I'm not sure what's happening here, but there's been no successful challenges yet, as we recognize that Regalo used to like boss momentum.
Yeah, also. And then, minsan yung mga coaches, nagbibigay na din ng instruction. So ito yung mga unforced errors for FEU. During set number 1, they tallied 10 unforced errors. But this time, maaga pa lang itong set number 2. Medyo dumadami na yung errors nila.
In the floor right now.
And again, with that cross-court angle, of course, if makita mo,
Pinuto. Desquitado. Off the blockers this time is Jay Desquitado.
giving firepower for the NU Bulldogs. They're now up by 1 point.
Leo with 10 points in this game, going for that serve. Cacao going up to the open between, off the hands of Budin.
Set number 1, as much as 4 points.
Points, yeah. The answer coming from Nico. Oh, unable to notice that ball was Spec Tagibolos. May konting tension eh, na nafe-feel mo, no? Kasi isa-isa lang yung nangyari. Piso-piso.
Yes.
Yung nangyari. Budin, popped up by Cacao. Ceballos is there. They go up to Saavedra. They choose Ordiales. Ordiales will try again. Oh! They've been plagued by the attack.
And actually, yun nga yung mahirap no, if you're targeting a long ball. Pag ikaw naman yung receiver, para akala mo mag-outside,
Yeah.
pero biglang babagsak lang sa linya.
It happened earlier kaya naka-AC Nico Espartero. Budin will try this time. Popped up by Nico. That is not going to stay alive. It's shanking away from the court. 19. The left hand push at the start, but the right hand kills. Budin goes for a serve.
Oh, chance here for NU.
Ancheta going to Ordiales. And that's a point for Leo. Point number 12.
For defense yun, yung Tamaraw, at taas ang dating ng bola on their side.
This one. That was an era. Din also here earlier, so Thiago Manabat. And, oh! You are seeing disconnection inside the court. Sabi niya, nagsasarili na tayo.
And definitely sense of urgency there for the side of FAU.
Let's see if they'll be able to do that. Desquitado gets a check, and they get the point.
A we're seeing na the FEU timeout, parang iniingatan na nila yung mga palo nila. And we heard it from the timeout as well, na wag nilang And we heard it once again. Pasa lang ang kailangan ng NU dito to be able to execute the play.
That is a perfect example of that because that is what Coach Dante also has been harking, the set point advantage.
It all started with a good first ball and they were able to set up Leo Ordiales there on the opposite. Late position to the block of FEU.
The Pep Squad member, I kid, is now serving because earlier binuhat siya ng kanyang teammates. Oh, an easy answer by FEU.
But again, parang same story din ng set number 1. FEU was down by 2.
Kanina na deuce. Tingnan natin if they'll be able to repeat that. Dix with that serve. They go up to Leo, but Ordiales says, hindi na. He will finish it right there, leading as much as 3. Let's give that a second look, Paneng.
Of course, Leo Ordiales giving the last 2 points for the